Have you ever walked into a university fair feeling overwhelmed, not knowing where to start or what to ask? Well, you're not alone. Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, our topic is especially relevant during university fair season, and that is how to maximize your university fair visit. University fairs are a fantastic opportunity to explore your options, connect with representatives from various universities and colleges, learn about programs, and gather valuable information for your higher education journey. But without the right strategy, you might miss out on valuable insights and opportunities. In this video, we'll guide you through the tips and essential questions to ask university representatives that will help you make informed decisions. So stick around. First thing first, do your homework. Before attending any fair, take some time to research the universities that will be there. Look into the programs they offer, their campus culture, and any specific areas of interest you have. Knowing which universities align with your goals will help you focus your time and ensure you ask meaningful questions. Trust me, being prepared will make a big difference. Next, it's time to prepare your questions. Create a list of questions, either being tailored to each university you're interested in or they're just generic questions. Here are some examples. What does the course structure look like? What kind of support services are available for students? Are there opportunities for internships or work experience? What does the campus culture look like? These questions will show your genuine interest and help you gather the information you need to make informed decisions. Of course, these are just examples. Asking thoughtful questions will show your genuine interest and help you gather the information you need to make an informed decision. Try to focus on few questions that matter the most to you. The event itself is likely to go very quickly once it begins, so make sure you don't get too caught up in one conversation and miss out on other opportunities. When you finally get to the fair, make sure to engage with the university representatives. Don't be shy. Introduce yourself, share your academic interests, and ask your prepared questions. This is your chance to make a personal connection. Remember, the representatives are there to help you, and a friendly conversation can leave a lasting impression. Make sure to take notes during your conversations. Whether you prefer using a notebook or your phone, jot down key points and any insights you gain from the representatives. This will help you remember important details later when you're evaluating your options. Plus, it shows you're serious about your future. Before wrapping up each conversation, be sure to ask about the next steps. Inquire about the application process, important deadlines, and any upcoming events or open days you should know about. This will help you stay organized and on track for your application. While it's great to come prepared with specific questions and a clear focus, don't forget to keep an open mind during your visit. You might discover study options that you hadn't considered before, or even find a niche scholarship that's perfect for you in a country you did not think about. Remember, all the universities attending the fair are eager to recruit students from your region, and each one has something unique to offer. So be ready to explore and seize the opportunities that come your way. After the university fair, don't let the connections you made go to waste. Take a moment to follow up with the university representatives you spoke with. A simple email thanking them for their time and reiterating your interest can make a lasting impression. This is also a great opportunity to ask any lingering questions you might have forgotten to ask about during the fair, or to request more information about specific programs or scholarships, or anything that you feel are relevant. Remember, showing initiative can set you apart from other applicants. To wrap things up, remember, while university fairs are all about exploration, being well prepared and proactive by researching ahead, preparing questions, engaging with representatives, and taking notes and keeping an open mind, you can gather a wealth of information to guide your university decision. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more university admission tips. And if you're looking for personalized guidance or need help navigating the UK university application process, feel free to check our services you'll find in the link in the description below. We'd love to hear from you. If you have any questions about university fairs, or if there's something specific you'd like to know more about, drop your questions in the comments below. We're here to help. And your inquiries might even inspire future videos. See you in our next video.